So another question we get is, how do I know that the repairs I'm making are actually adding value to the home? And you can see this really clear when you look at what is available on the market and what's actually under contract and what's actually sold. When you compare the condition of the property, you can definitively say that the homes that are updated are getting significantly amount of more money than the homes that are outdated. So in addition to that, we're also getting a steep discount, a wholesale rate on those repairs, on those materials and labor of those upgrades. And that's what gives you the additional value add for your property.
And it's really simple. I mean, we just had a client of ours, Vicky. She couldn't sell her house. The best offer she got on her house was $535,000. We updated her home and we just got an offer accepted at $905,000. So the value of updating your home is significant. She's getting hundreds of thousands of dollars more by updating her home. So this is a story that we've seen many times. We've done this about 700 times, and it's the same pattern every single time. Update your home, more value.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our channel.